Hello there, I'm Gedik. We will examine the line command on this video. As the name suggests, we draw line with line command. You can click the line button like this, or you can press L and enter for the draw a line. After putting the first point, you can see line length on the left, and you can see horizontal angle on the right. Press tab to switch between them, like that. If you want to exit the command, press escape. You can select lines by on-clicking. You can move selected lines from the middle point. And you can extend the line from the end point. Or press delete for erase the line. If you want to draw vertical line, press F8. Or you can click in here, open auto mode. Like that. I can't draw an angled line. Okay, if you wanna close lines, press C and enter. Okay, enough to know this. Make an example now. Let's draw this car. Oh no, this is a bit complicated. Maybe later. Let's draw this for now. Each line is 15 units long. Okay. Good, like this Atari car. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.